I'm very excited because it's a Shop My Eyeshadow palette collection, and I chose 2 eyeshadow palettes to create this look right here. You guys have been asking for more Shop My Stash videos, and I love doing these because I love to like go back into my collection, find things that I used to just completely be obsessed over, and then fell into the whole rabbit hole of I need this and I need to buy this and I have to review that. As you guys know, your girl has like really scaled back on her overspending, and I'm only purchasing things that like bring me joy. So anyways, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Momma MD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. And here, friends, we embrace the hot mess. I have a pot of coffee going as we speak. Your girl's about to get really coffee strong, and I pretty much run on nothing but caffeine. Fortunately, it's a judgment-free zone where we don't judge the blending skills or the lack thereof, and we just sit back, relax, enjoy the whole chatting about makeup. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, click that notification bell so you are notified every time that I upload a video, as well as I do have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I'm doing Vlogmas over there, as well as I'm not for sure when this video is going to go up, but check my description box down below because at the time that I am filming this video, there's actually 2 giveaways going on. So you don't want to miss out on those, and you definitely want to enter into those. So let's just go ahead and jump right into what or how I created this look and which palettes I used. You know, if you come here for professionalism, you probably need to jump out of the video, because this girl, not so much. Okay guys, so I chose 2 palettes out of my collection. One's not going to be new to you because you guys know I always use this particular shade out of this palette, but it's because I love that shade. And the second one, unfortunately this palette is no longer around, but the company is still around, and I know they still offer singles. They're rebranding, and I thought, oh, this is going to be perfect. So the first one, of course, is my C Color Cosmetics Soft Natural Palette. You guys will see this in the application process. I swear by this color right here. I love the formula. It's very affordable. And then the second palette that I'll be using and creating all of this look with is this palette right here by Makeup Geek. This is old. I think this is from, I'm like 99.99% sure. I bought this in like the fall of 2017, new to Makeup Geek, and it was when I found there was like a sale. I didn't pay full price for this. I'm trying to think. It was one of their like Black Friday deals, maybe. Anyways, this is actually the Manny MUA palette, and funny enough, I did not even know who Manny was when I bought this palette. Obviously now I know, but obviously this is totally my color scheme right here. This is what the palette looks like up close, and you can tell very neutral, basic girl friendly with some pops of colors in here. And I love this duochrome. I have it on my lid. You're gonna see me apply everything, but I love shopping my stash, guys, and it's really making me realize like the products that I just kind of shoved to the back and was just constantly buying. And you guys know now I am being so much more mindful and picky about what I bring into my collection, and I have just been loving getting to know my collection again, you know? So definitely make sure to shop your stash, and if you guys create any looks, if you have these palettes, definitely make sure to tag me on Instagram and Twitter because I always love to see what you guys create. But anyways, I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and carrying on. I'm gonna show you guys how I did create this look, and I love it. It's pretty, and all of it. Just let's get into the footage. Okay guys, so that was the application process. I'm gonna pop up here so you guys can see the final look. Okay guys, so here's the final look, mostly using the Makeup Geek palette, and oh my gosh, can I just say, I mean, yeah, this palette is a couple years old, but like the formula is still so beautiful, so easy to work with, and they are actually rebranding, so I'm really excited to see what all they have in store for us for, I think it's January, right? Anyways guys, hopefully I can condense this down and make it kind of a shorter video for you guys, but if you guys enjoyed this and you want to see and continue seeing more of the Shop My Stash, Shop My Eyeshadow Palette stash, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share our video over on Facebook, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm obsessed with the TikTok. It's really bad. Anyways guys, don't forget to check out Hotmess Momma vlogs, as well as in my description box I'll have any giveaways that are still going on and my Patreon link as well. We would love to have you as part of our Patreon family. Anyways guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!
Like this video if you should be doing something else, but instead you're watching TikTok because you downloaded it as a joke and now you addicted.